Apple bumps up MacBook Air to 16GB RAM standard, enhancing performance. Apple recently revealed the M2 and M3 MacBook Air now comes standard with 16GB of RAM. The Cupertino-based tech giant brought similar RAM upgrades to the laptops that have been introduced in the ongoing Mac-related announcements. The initial price of the standard MacBook Air is $999. Prior to this upgrade, the MacBook Air with 16GB of RAM cost an additional $200, which is no longer the case. In a strategic move, the company has put its least expensive laptops on par with its competitors. Back in 2016, Apple made a similar decision when it dropped the 4GB 11-inch MacBook Air and set the standard with 8GB for the 13-inch model. Following the ongoing Mac-related announcements this week, including the iMacs, a smaller Mac Mini, and refreshed MacBook Pros with an M4 chip launched this week, starting with a minimum of 16GB, indicated that the 8GB RAM tier has now gone from Apple's laptop series.